Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are a beautiful villa property, which row villa property, which is located towards the airport road. This is almost around 4 kilometers before the airport road in a posh locality in place. So right now we are giving you a tour of a four-bedroom row villa called as Alfaransco Homes, designed accordingly. So pretty much into the garden aspect, natural lighting and ventilation. So this is how the four-bedroom elevation would look. So you have a decent parking area as you enter in here. So this is how the car parking space you would be getting in here, and the actual entry to the main home. So this is the main home entry, and this is actually a split level plan. So you have an option of a split level plan and the single level plans in here. So you enter into the decent living space in here. The other beauty about this development is basically the design aesthetics. You don't find it into a regular development. And again, within the home, you have this kind of a landscape area. If you are a avid garden lover, then you'll love this property. So, for the dining space is one level below in here. So you got a huge dining space. Then, then this is the kitchen area in here. So you have a complete workspace for the kitchen. The other beauty about the development is basically the backyard what you. So this is how the private backyard would come in. So you can even place a dining area. You can organize a small party in the space what you're getting in here completely. So complete green homes in place. As I was mentioning, this is split level. So at the ground level, as you have a washroom in here. So you have a provision to place a lift if you want a lift to come up in here. So now we are heading to level 1. So every level you have a bedroom in here. So that is the design aesthetics in here. You have an option if you want to create 2 bedrooms at one level, that can be done. So we are at the split level plan. So this is one bedroom, decent sizes in here, and with this bedroom also you get a gallery, a deck in here. Firstly, the sizes, you can place a king size bed also in here, and this is the gallery size. The plan is the walk-in wardrobe concepts here, so you don't have to worry about the wardrobe eating up your space in the bedrooms. And this is the washrooms. So you got a enclosed shower area here with a pot, and all the fittings are all from Kohler basically. So it's all on the premium level development in here. So level 1 we have 1 bedroom. So now we are heading to level 2. Again at level 2 you get this living space. So it's kind of an independent apartment home, kind of a independent owner feel what you get. Every level is dedicated to the person who is living in, so they get a dedicated living area along with the bedroom spaces in here. So pretty good, decent size of a bedroom area with lot of natural lighting and ventilation. And the other thing is the tucked in wardrobe concept in here. So your complete wardrobes are all tucked in here. This is what we call the tucked in. So it doesn't eat out your space in there. So good size of the bedrooms with cool natural lighting and ventilation around. And this is the washrooms. So pretty spacious washrooms in here. So you have a good space when you enter from the door. You have a good space where you have a sink. Then the pot comes in and the enclosed shower area here. So this is the kind of showers fitments what you get in place. And at this level, as I was mentioning, every level has its own ownership feel in here. So you got a desk space, work from home options in place. So now we are heading towards the level 2. So at this again at level 2 you have a one room in here. Again the bedroom sizes are pretty decent, and all the bedrooms comes with a balcony. So if you look at this size, it's pretty huge. And you can place even a king size bed, dedicated space, and this is the deck what you're getting. So you get a decent deck also in place with a good view of the club. So you have a 1 acre space of a clubhouse space in here. So this is the walk-in wardrobe space, and again the washrooms with the shower enclosure here, your pot, and the sink fitments. Everything is of Paula brand. So when you talk about the specification detailing the craftsmanship is on Mark 1. So now we are heading to the next level here. The next level, again you got a small space where you can sit and relax with a lot of storage space in there. And then the bedroom. All the bedroom comes with a wooden flooring in here and pretty good lighting, natural lighting and ventilation. Huge bedroom spaces. You can just observe, look at the size of the bedrooms here. And with all bedrooms you have the deck areas. So you have a space, pretty beautiful deck space. That's Godrej Avenues, what you're seeing there, the apartments. This is the wardrobe space, pretty massive spaces. And the washroom here. So pretty good space in here where you have a sink, the pot and the enclosed shower. Good space to place up your entire wardrobe here. And now we are heading towards the terrace area. So at one side of the terrace space is dedicated towards the utility space in here. So that's the clubhouse, which is built in a acre space with all the amenities, with again the plotted development. So in this development you have row villas as well as plotted. So this is the space for the utility washing machine setting up, all in here. Then you have a space for your servant and the washroom for the servant in place. And coming to the other beauty of the unit, as you come to the terrace here, so you can host a small party in here. So as you see, it's all complete, clean and green. The view is amazing because the property is surrounded by the Embassy Villas, the apartment complexes, the ultra luxury plots, everything coming up. So you would be in an elite community in here. So with the master bedroom you have this space also. You've got 2 balconies with the master bedroom here. And this is the horizontal view, the glasses and everything. So for further details, contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners for major developers in Bangalore. If you're looking for a villa, plots or apartments, we have everything in-house. A one-stop shop in terms of housing loans, your interiors, your handing over facilities can be taken care. So feel free to connect with us. Thank you.